guys, Nick here. Now I just wanted to show you something. This plastic toolbox is something I've been fighting with for the last 5 or 6 years in the back of my 4-drive. So I've spent so much time wasted digging through this little toolbox, you know, trying to find the tools I needed. So I finally came to my senses and I upgraded to the Atlas 46 orange fluoro tool roll. Now the best thing about this tool roll is the orange fluoro colour. It makes it super easy to find my tools during the day or night. The Yorktown tool roll can also fit heaps of tools. I was surprised how many tools I could actually fit in this, but still I could keep everything really well organised, and it's super easy to find all my tools when I need it. This tool roll has definitely changed how I work on my 4-drive. Well, I'd highly recommend grabbing one of these Atlas 46 Yorktown tool rolls, because they are an incredible bit of gear. Well, thanks for watching, guys.